Hello everyone, and welcome to a journey into the world of essential oils. Today, we're diving deep into how these fragrant wonders can unlock a world of relaxation. Imagine a world where stress melts away, replaced by tranquility. That's the power essential oils can offer. But first, a friendly reminder. This information is for you to explore, not to replace advice from your doctor. Always consult your primary care physician for personalized health guidance. And if you're looking for convenient and affordable healthcare, check out MyHomeDoc Telehealth. You can find their telemedicine platform at www.myhomedoc.care. Now let's talk about essential oils. These aromatic treasures are extracted from plants, capturing their essence in a bottle. Think of them as tiny drops of nature's magic. When inhaled, these oils stimulate your sense of smell, sending signals to your brain that can influence your mood and emotions. It's like a shortcut to feeling good. Aromatherapy, the practice of using essential oils for therapeutic purposes, has been around for centuries. It's a holistic approach to well-being that harnesses the power of scent. Imagine this: you're feeling stressed, so you light a lavender-scented candle. The soothing aroma fills the air, and as you breathe it in, you feel your worries begin to fade. That's aromatherapy in action. But the benefits go beyond relaxation. Aromatherapy can also ease anxiety, improve sleep quality, and even help manage pain. It's like having a natural toolkit for well-being right at your fingertips. While more research is always being done, the potential of aromatherapy is vast and exciting. Let's meet some of the stars of the show, the essential oils known for their incredible relaxation properties. First up, we have lavender, the queen of calm. Its sweet floral scent is renowned for promoting tranquility and easing tension. Then there's chamomile, a gentle giant known for its soothing properties. It's like a warm hug for your senses. Next, we have bergamot, a citrusy oil that uplifts spirits and chases away stress. Think of it as sunshine in a bottle. And finally, we have ylang ylang, a romantic oil with a floral aroma that promotes relaxation and eases anxiety. It's like a mini vacation for your mind. Ready to experience the magic of essential oils for yourself? Here are some practical tips to get you started. Keep a small vial of your favorite oil handy for on-the-go relaxation. When stress hits, simply inhale deeply from the bottle. Another great option is using a diffuser. Add a few drops of oil to the diffuser with water and let the calming aroma fill your space. You can also create your own DIY stress relief blends. For a calming and balancing aroma, combine rose and lavender. To uplift your mood, try a blend of jasmine and ylang ylang. And for pure relaxation, mix marjoram and bergamot. Remember, essential oils are potent, so always dilute them in a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil before applying them to your skin.